Hello everyone, my name is Trishla and I've just completed my digital marketing course from Upskill. Today I would really like to share my experience throughout the course tenure and with the entire team of Upskill, be it my mentors, my batchmates and everybody who's been a part of this course. But firstly I would like to grab this opportunity to thank Upskill for conducting online classes. I've been forever wanting to join in. Thank you so much. So talking about the changes the course has brought in me is huge. So before joining the course, I was working as a freelance social media marketer, blogger and a PR consultant. So talking about social media marketing, my main focus back then was on content creation, and I even knew then that there are a lot of features and concepts that I am missing out on and I have no knowledge about. Whatever little did I know was all because of Arbab sir, but there were a lot of things which I had to learn, like Facebook ads, Google ads. I had no idea, absolutely zero idea about it, and I remember mentioning it about to my mentor Praveen sir before the paid ad classes were being held. So it's like that. So that was the main purpose for me to join this digital marketing course, and I was pretty sure from the very beginning that I want to do it from Upskill, because even before the online classes were announced, I was a part of Upskill group on Facebook. So there were a lot of discussions that would go on that group. There were a lot of updates that would be shared. If anybody had a query, it would be solved in like minutes by n number of people. So it was a mini classroom in itself, and that was a moment I knew that whenever I want to do a full-fledged course, it would be from this group. So the day I read the post that said that online classes are now about to commence, so that was the day I had just that very moment I had called up Arbab sir and I was like, I want to do this course, and I was like, definitely give me the details, and he gave me the course manual, and I was like, it was huge. I mean, not one aspect of digital marketing was left out, and I was so intimidated. And I was like, Arbab sir, I don't think I want to do all of it. I think I will do something that focuses on one thing, and I would want to personalize and specialize in that. Very calmly Arbab sir was like, what is the area that you think that you wouldn't want to do? I was like, maybe I don't want to do SEO, and maybe I don't want to do graphic designing. And he was like, that's okay, but then if you want to call yourself a digital marketer, you need to have, or even a social media marketer, you need to have little knowledge about all the concept that surrounds digital marketing. And I had immense faith. I still have immense faith in Arbab sir, so I did not say anything, and I did take up the entire manual course because I had trust on him, and I didn't understand back then what he was trying to say. So today when I see myself, the day I had spoken those things, and today when I see after the course completion, the change is huge. Today I understand what he meant. Today I know that it was the right decision, absolutely right decision that I had made of listening to Arbab sir's suggestion. And I do not regret it, not even 1%, and I'm so glad, because it not only teaches you the concepts, it just it strengthens your basics. Like when you were a kid, if our addition subtraction was not strong, then in future doing the hardest of maths problems would be like climbing a mountain. So it's like that. This course has helped me clear my basics, know the basics and everything, because it wasn't possible. It wouldn't have been possible back then. Today when I see, oh my god, after each class it was like, ऐसा भी होता है, there's so many things, organic has so many aspects. It was not possible to have known all of these concepts without having a mentor, without having a support system, without having such classes. And more than classes, it used to be more than classes, just such great conversations with the batchmates also within the class, during the classes, that there were a lot of insights outpouring from each person in that group. It was like an information exchange with people from all spheres of life talking about their experience in this field, in another field. I mean, it is like learning from others' mistakes. So they have shared what problems they have faced and how they have rectified it, or they've asked for help, and it has been amazing experience. Today when I say all of these things, I don't mean to say that I have mastered the entire art of digital marketing and I wouldn't get stuck and I can do anything. No, I think I will get stuck. Maybe I will have some problems while I'm practically implementing what I have theoretically learned. But today I know that the thing is clear. Today I know that whenever I get stuck, I have got a plethora of people to help me, starting from my mentors to my batchmates. So it's like getting stuck is not a problem, but initially what would happen is if I would have got stuck, Google wouldn't help me because there would have been such varied answers that it would ultimately confuse me. But today when I know that if I'm getting stuck, then it is not like I'll have to get stuck over it forever. What the help is just a call or a WhatsApp message away. So definitely, and these classes is just not for improving your digital marketing skills or online skills, but it also prepares you like a management institute. It prepares you to face your career opportunities after this. It kind of builds your personality. It kind of actually builds your personality, so that when you are in an interview or in a real life situation where there will be a lot of challenges, how are you supposed to react? And not only this, like in vocational, it is just like a vocational training. It is an absolutely full-fledged form of training, from your concepts to your basic personality to your mindset. And I really know, because it is a personal feeling. It is not just for the sake of saying, but really it is a process of learning, and the process of learning is not complete until unless we apply it. And once we apply it, we learn all the more, and that is what Arbab sir and the entire team of Upskill has taught me. So today, sitting here, I would really like to thank Arbab sir, Praveen sir, Rishi sir, Abhishek sir, Anshuman sir, and Abhishek sir again. Thank you so much, and really, it was an amazing experience. Thank you for all your help and support. Thank you so much.